Hi guys, how are you? Hope you enjoy the holidays. Welcome back to the TechWine. I'm Malik. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve WWE 2K20 won't launch, not starting, not launching problem. Here got the video. Doom.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Hey guys, all of us. First of all, I like to talk. The 2K told their recommends WWE 2K20 is record Windows 7. Minimum requirement is Windows 7, but and after that, uh, after releasing the game, they told minimum requirements is Windows 10, and some users got problem with that. When we double click on the exe file to run the game, to open the game, it's open and disappear. Sorry, it's some ads. When we double click on the exe file, it's open for just 2 seconds and it's disappear, can't load the game. So I searched many fixes, many I get the support from 2K support, but it's not work. Finally I found a fix and it's work for me. I'm going to tell it for you to work, to play the game. Okay guys, this is the fix for it. I like to quickly go into the point. So go to your properties in your my computer, and this PC, I mean Windows 10, you call this PC here. Properties, see, these are my specifications in my computer: 8 GB RAM and Intel Core i7 64-bit operating system. But when I click on the game exe, it's not run successfully. It's open and it's closed in 2 seconds. So that's the problem we are facing. Now I'm going to solve it. Open, run. When press win button in keyboard, win key, and press R, Windows plus R, and then you can get run window. Then type here dx diagram. Okay, click OK. Here in this direct diagnostic tool, we can see our specifications: Windows 10 Pro 64 bits, and build is this is the new December 16 version 2019. So I'm going I changed this, I upgrade this today morning. Then this is the fix for it. I'm going to show how to upgrade it. You need to go here, type preview in search bar. Okay, preview build. Then here comes Windows Insider program settings. Here, this not if you are new to this is not the way that shows. If you are new, there's just I get start. Yeah, that's get start. First of all, you're going to do this. I like to tell, please check your internet connection is on, and To complete this, you have to spend 2 to 4 hours. It's depend on your internet speed, internet connection. And one more thing, you have to give you have to what you have to spend nearly 2 GB for this to download and install. It's take 2 to 4 hours. Then go to here in Windows inside a program, and there is a button like get start. Then click it, get start, and they will ask, Windows will ask to register. It's free to register, so click register now and register. It will ask again your Gmail account or something, email your Microsoft account to sign in. Then that's all. Windows inside a program is, yeah, there is two options here, like this. No, sorry, three options: release, preview, fast, slow. But the best one is slow. That give us update once or twice a month. It's easy, so choose. I recommend it. Choose slow, and after that, after turn on the Windows inside a program, go to Windows Update. Then after turning on that Windows, since after going inside a program, after getting start, that you have to check updates. They show a new update. That one is VB Windows 10 new build version. That one is that I showed recently, that I showed before the yeah, new version is build. These are the new version. To upgrade it, after upgrading it, WWE 2K20 is running successfully. We notice regular use device between 9 a.m. 8 p.m. Would you like to Windows automatically update? It's normal. Your update, yes, Windows update. That's the fix, guys. I'm guaranteed it's work. If it's not, give me a comment. I think this video is clear. I like to tell it. I like to short this. I told what I told. And first of all, you go Windows inside a program. Go to settings and Windows inside a program, and click get start, and give your Gmail account or whatever, and sign to Microsoft account. Register it. It's free to register, and choose the slow. And after all, go Windows Update and check for update. There will be a update. Last version, last update available in last update is December 16, 2019, December 16. That's the newest one, and upgrade it. It's take 2 to 4 hours, and you need near to 2 GB. That's all, guys. If you had any problem, give me a comment. If this video is not clear, give me a comment. I'll explain. I can give step by steps. If you contact me, you can contact me by Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, whatever. You can contact me anytime. I will reply to your comments. And thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy your holidays. Merry Christmas, guys. Try this, guys. This is definitely work. This one is definitely work. I guarantee this is one work. And thank you very much. Give me a comment, give me a like, give me a share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you very much. This is Malik for TechWine.